We're talking about the raw, untamed wilderness where temperatures plummet to an unimaginable -80 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, steel can become as brittle as glass, and even the air feels sharp enough to cut. Yet, in this brutal, frozen landscape, a monumental task is underway. An army of heavy machinery is battling the elements, carving paths through mountains of snow and ice. These aren't just any machines. They're titans of engineering, specifically designed to withstand conditions that would bring ordinary vehicles to a grinding halt. Today, we're retaking you to the front lines of this incredible operation to witness these mechanical beasts in action. We'll explore how they're able to function, the immense challenges the operators face, and the sheer power required to tame this frozen world. At -80 degrees, standard diesel fuel turns into a thick gel, completely unusable. To combat this, these machines run on a special Arctic-grade fuel, a blend that remains liquid even in the most extreme cold. But that's just the beginning. The engine blocks are wrapped in thermal blankets and connected to powerful preheaters for hours before they can even be turned over. These heaters circulate warm coolant through the engine, slowly and carefully bringing it up to a safe starting temperature. Without this crucial step, trying to start the engine would be catastrophic, likely causing irreparable damage. The hydraulic systems, which power everything from the massive buckets to the steering, are also filled with a specialized low-temperature fluid. Regular hydraulic oil would become as thick as molasses, making movement impossible. Even with this special fluid, the systems must be warmed up slowly, with operators gently cycling the controls to get the fluid moving and prevent seals from cracking under pressure. Once the machines are running, the real work begins. We're talking about bulldozers with blades as wide as a small house, massive front-end loaders that can scoop up tons of snow in a single pass, and powerful graders that meticulously smooth the frozen ground. The main task here is snow clearance on an epic scale. With their huge buckets, they scoop up the snow that the bulldozers have piled up and loaded into massive dump trucks to be hauled away. The precision required is incredible, especially when you consider the operator is sitting in a cab, separated from the extreme cold, trying to maneuver a giant steel arm with finesse. Finally, the motor graders come in. Their job is to create a smooth, drivable surface. They use a long blade positioned between the front and rear wheels to shave down high spots and fill in low spots, ensuring the newly cleared road is safe for other vehicles. It's a coordinated dance of giants, each playing a critical part in the operation. The technology inside these machines is just as impressive as their size. The cabs are a sanctuary from the lethal cold outside. They are heavily insulated and feature advanced heating and defrosting systems that keep the windows clear of ice and the operator at a safe temperature. The seats are often heated, and the controls are designed to be operated even while wearing thick gloves. But the most critical piece of technology is the advanced monitoring system. Sensors all over the machine constantly relay information back to the operator about engine temperature, hydraulic pressure, and fuel status. They have to be not just skilled drivers, but also expert mechanics, capable of diagnosing and sometimes even performing minor repairs in the most hostile conditions imaginable. Their resilience, skill, and courage are the true engines driving this entire operation forward. As the day wears on, the work doesn't stop. The sun in these polar regions is a fleeting visitor, and much of the work is done under the powerful glare of artificial lights mounted on the machines. Cutting through the deep polar night, the landscape is transformed into a surreal scene of moving lights and monstrous shadows. The pace is relentless. Fresh snow can fall at any moment, and the wind can create new drifts that undo hours of hard work in a matter of minutes. It's a constant struggle to stay ahead of nature. The logistics of supporting such an operation are staggering. Fuel, spare parts, and supplies for the crew all have to be brought in over the very roads they are struggling to keep open. It's a self-sustaining cycle that requires meticulous planning and flawless execution. A single weak link in the supply chain could bring the entire project to a standstill. Every liter of fuel is precious, and every spare part is worth its weight in gold. Watching these heavy machines work in -80-degree conditions is a humbling experience. It's a powerful demonstration of human ingenuity and our ability to adapt and overcome even the most extreme challenges. These steel giants, roaring and pushing against the unforgiving ice, are more than just tools. They are symbols of progress and survival in a place where nature reigns supreme. They are extensions of human will, operated by individuals with incredible fortitude. The scale of the operation is hard to comprehend, a testament to what can be achieved when cutting-edge technology is paired with unwavering human determination. From the specially formulated fluids that keep them moving to the insulated cabs that keep their operators safe, every detail has been engineered to conquer the cold. It's a raw, powerful, and awe-inspiring spectacle. So, the next time you feel a winter chill, take a moment to think about the frozen wilderness and the crews working out there. Think about the incredible harmony of power, precision, and endurance that allows them to carve a path through a world of ice. These operators and their mighty machines aren't just moving snow. They are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the extreme cold. We hope it gave you a new appreciation for the incredible engineering and human spirit that powers our world, even in its harshest corners. If you found this as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into the world of incredible machinery. Stay warm, and we'll see you in the next video.